Hello. Today we'll learn about the phrasal verb bash something about. It means to hit or move something roughly. You use it when someone treats an object carelessly. For example, kids bashing their toys about. You can say, "Don't bash the boxes about." Bash something about is a transitive verb. That means you need to use an object after it. You can say, "bash something about" or "bash about something." Both are correct and mean the same thing. It is an informal phrase, so use it in casual conversations. Remember, it doesn't mean to criticize someone. It is about physical rough handling. For example, he bashed the suitcase about until it broke. You can also say, "they bashed the furniture about during the move." Be careful not to use it without an object. Wrong. Bash about the thing. Right. Bash the thing about. Now, try using it in your own sentences. It will help you sound more natural in English. Thanks for watching. See you next time.